Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today I thought I would bring a quick tip to the table, okay, because this has happened quite a few times. Now a lot of people assume that their siphon is busted if it's constantly running like this toilet. Can you hear it? Let me show you. Like that. Constantly running. It's not always the case. If you've got, especially one of these siphons, where it's a dual overflow, in there. See right under there at the very bottom of the siphon, there's a flap where the water goes through. And on that there's a rubber seal. That can get clogged up with dirt, or just get wedged, scale, whatever it is. And all you need to do is, as long as you don't mind getting your hand dirty, you don't need to isolate the water, you don't need to do anything. You get your finger, get inside this hole, and you'll feel a flap. Get your finger inside this hole, and you'll feel a flap. Can you see it moving? Well, just do that a bit. There we go. Sorted. And as you can see now, we're filling as normal, as we should. It's a little bit dirty. What I will do, for safe measure, is remove this in a minute and clean up underneath, just to make sure there's no dirt or scale or anything left in there. But for a quick DIY tip at home, and to get yourself working with the toilet and stop wasting water, there we go. And we're back to being full. All sealed, nice and safe, working perfectly fine. So I'll give it a flush. And again, filling as we should. So hopefully this has helped you. If it has, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.